Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking immediate action. Update your phone OS and enable built-in call blocking so features behave predictably. Next, block the most recent unknown numbers you answered. Doing this teaches the phone to reject repeat offenders. Once done, register your primary number on the National Do Not Call list and turn on your carrier's spam protection. This reduces robocalls because carriers filter large-scale sources before they ever reach your device, lowering noise and false positives. Now you layer defenses by using a trusted call filtering app and your carrier's tools. Install one app, grant necessary permissions, then configure it to label likely spam and auto-silence unknown callers while letting whitelisted contacts ring through. Make sure to report each spam call within the app and to your carrier. That helps machine learning filters improve. Also, enable network-level blocking with your provider. It catches spoofed numbers earlier. Together, these measures stop most automated and nuisance calls before you pick up. To finish, audit your settings weekly. Prune block lists, tweak filter sensitivity, and use a neutral voicemail greeting to avoid confirming your number. If unwanted calls continue despite filters, contact your carrier to escalate, ask for network-level blocking, or, as a last resort, change your number. Make sure to document persistent numbers and complaint timestamps so regulators can act. If an app stops working, update it or try an alternative. This keeps defenses current and reduces the chance of recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.